Over the last year and a half or so, the investment world is abuzz with only one word: gold, gold, and more gold. What's happening? What's driving this gold rush? I strongly believe that gold has changed its character. Gold has always been a safe haven asset. You have a messy situation in the world, geopolitics going wrong, wars happening, COVID, the rush to gold happens, and people start going to gold. And when things turn around, when things get better, they dump gold again and go back into more investments that give them more better returns, like stocks and things like that. But I think very importantly, gold has changed its character now, and that's the reason for all of this crazy rush that we are seeing. The gold rush has changed into a stampede. Let's look at what's happening, and let's look at it in three parts. Number one, what's happening. Number two, why it's happening. And number three, where do we see gold going in the future? What's happening is that over the last year and a half, gold has doubled, almost doubled. It was $2,100 per ounce in March of 2024. Today, as we speak, in October of 2025, about a year and a half later, gold has almost doubled and crossed a very critical threshold, that's $4,000 per ounce. So, and number two, oh, this current year in 2025 itself, gold has gone up by about 50%. So that's what's happening. And there's been a mad rush for gold, and gold has been making multiple records day after day, week after week. Now to the second question: why is this happening? There has been a lot of rush by retail investors, piling up on physical gold and on ETFs. But I don't believe at all that this, you and me buying gold, or my neighbor or our neighbors buying gold, or individuals across the world buying gold can push this kind of a frenzy in gold prices. This is clearly, undisputably, because of central banks rushing into gold and trying to increase their gold reserves. There was a study which I saw that said that since the end of 2024 and October of 2025, 10 months, global gold reserves of central banks have gone up by 50%. Now that explains a lot of things, and that tells us why this golden frenzy has been going on. Raises a question in my mind: why are central banks rushing after gold now? Gold was always available to them 2 years ago. They could have bought. 20 years ago, they could have bought. Why now? Is it they're dropping confidence on fiat currencies, or is this a change of character in gold, looking at gold not only as a safe asset, uh, but also as an asset that can multi-pronged asset that can give them good returns going forward. So this is hard to tell. We'll have to wait and watch. In addition to this, there has been a big surge in daily trading volumes in gold. All kinds of investors are piling into gold. So it's all good news. It's all multi-factored push into gold that's driving the prices. Now on to the third question: where do we see gold going forward? There was another interesting observation that I came through, which I saw in multiple places, in a few places. It said that the central banks of the world are committed to keep increasing their gold reserves in the coming year, which gives us a very clear direction of where the gold could go to in the coming months and years. But having said that, gold has already doubled in about a year and a half. So expect pullbacks, expect profit booking, and but the overall direction seems to be clear. I'll try to make a video on how the technical analysis charts are predicting gold movements, and in my next video. There have been quite a few people asking me what to do with gold, with their gold holdings, because they are sitting on huge profits. And my reply to all of them has been the same: if you need money, okay, sell it. Take your profits off the table. If you don't need money, hold on. I hope better days are coming. So, wishing you all golden days. we'll meet you again in the next video where I'll try to cover gold in technical analysis.